Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can join someone on Roblox with their join off. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google Roblox, open Roblox and log in into your account. Then you need to click on three bars on the top left and click on friends, and here you need to search for pro players. So click on any of them, but you can see there is no join button. So how you can get that? You simply need to click on three dots on the top right, go into the extension and click on visit Chrome Web Store, and you need to search for Pro Searcher and hit enter. And here you can see, after adding this extension into the Chrome, you have the join button here with the person name, and then you need to click on that and you can easily join. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.